As disaster relief efforts get underway across parts of Mississippi and Alabama, volunteers from Illinois are stepping up to help the victims.
Courtney Spinelli is at the Red Cross Chicago headquarters on the near west side.
Several volunteers with the American Red Cross of Illinois have already been deployed to Mississippi and Alabama, and even more locals are getting ready to head south to lend a hand.
Whenever we have a huge disaster like this, it's an all hands on deck situation.
A deadly tornado outbreak leaving behind a widespread path of destruction as survivors are left reeling from the devastation. As volunteers begin arriving in Mississippi, Mara Thompson is deploying for the first time with the Red Cross. A call for help she says she didn't think twice about answering.
Our goal as the Red Cross is just to help with whatever they need right in this moment, whether that's a meal or a place to stay, a shelter, any medical, health things that they need.
Early Monday afternoon, the Mississippi Emergency Management Agency confirming a total of 21 storm-related deaths, slightly lower than what was initially feared. 7 counties affected by the storm reporting more than 1,600 homes were damaged.
I sat down last night after I found out I was getting this deployment and just looked at a lot of news coverage, and it breaks your heart.
Thompson calls the situation dynamic and says they'll learn more about the need and what they can do to best help as they arrive. David Langenstrass, a disaster mental health specialist from Elgin, getting the call early Monday morning to help out.
I think it's my 18th deployment.
From hurricanes to forest fires and floods, Langenstrass has been on the front lines of disaster relief efforts many times. As part of their response, they work with people impacted and help connect them with local resources.
We have what we call psychological first aid, where we try to get them to talk about what happened, try to identify any needs that they might have. Some needs are as basic as food and shelter.
Langenstrass says they help with those needs too, going out with the feeding trucks and helping at the local shelters. Even for those lending a hand, it can get overwhelming at times, which is why he says services are available for everyone.
If there's issues with the staff or people who are struggling with what they're seeing, then there's mental health workers that they can talk to down there.
The White House announcing federal disaster assistance being made available to the state for recovery efforts. In a briefing Monday, White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre saying members of the administration have been on the ground to assess the damage, survey emergency response efforts, and meet with local and state officials.
We remain committed to doing everything we can to help those impacted by these storms and help them recover.
It's not clear how long these volunteers will be needed in Mississippi, but some tell us they've cleared their calendar for at least 10 days. Reporting outside the American Red Cross Greater Chicago headquarters, Courtney Spinelli, WGN News.